So, how do you use and access the Kikoff Store? Basically, the Kikoff Store is a digital marketplace for financial education. If you have a Kikoff credit account, you can use your credit line to purchase ebooks, e-courses, or renew your subscription directly from the store. Just remember this: any purchase you will make will increase your balance and may raise your monthly payment. These are digital only products and they are designed to help you build credit while improving your financial knowledge. Now, to access the Kickoff store, first you want to log into your account, and then after you log in, you want to go to the home section in your dashboard. You want to tap or click the credit account and then select the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen, and then finally tap or click on the Kickoff store. So that's how easy it is. This is Josh. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.